Welcome to Olympiad Math Clinic. Today we are solving a simple radical equation. Before we start solving this simple radical equation, don't forget to like and follow this page and also subscribe in our YouTube channel. So now in solving this, you must understand the rules of indices and how does it applies and the law of Bodmer's. What are the first things to consider in solving a question in this form? Now, you're able to see that if a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m dot a raised to power n. Since you agree that this can give us this, let's try to expand this. We have 3 onto bracket opened 2 raised to power k dot 2 raised to power 1 minus 4 onto 2k minus 1 divide by 2 raised to power k dot 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power k. Now, and 2 raised to power 1 can also be written as 2. So let's try to expand the bracket here. We have 3 dot 2 raised to power 2. Let's put the 2 here first. Dot 2 raised to power k minus 4 onto 2 raised to power k minus 1 divide by 2 bracket 2 raised to power k minus 2 raised to power k. So now, our dot means multiplication. It means times. So meaning that 3.2 will give us 6. 3.2 will give us 6 onto 2 raised to power k minus 4 onto 2 raised to power k minus 1 all divided by 2 raised to power 2 dot 2k minus 2 raised to power k. Now, I will also go to another laws of indices. We are able to follow the first rules of power rules. So we now go to another rules that says that if a raised to power m minus n, it can be written as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. It is this law that will make us to apply to this. Let's follow these rules in solving this area. So we have 6 onto 2 raised to power k minus 4 onto 2 raised to power k. Because of the minus, you can be able to see the minus. It will make the minus will now come down in division part. We have 2 raised to power 1 or onto 2. Here you're able to see that 2 raised to power k is common. So we have 2 minus 1. Now, so we have 2 onto k minus, let's try to remove this 4, divide by 2, onto 2 raised to power k. So this will give you 2k because this is 1 dot 1. So let's also proceed. Now from here, you're able to see that if you have 6 onto 2 raised to power k minus the 2 here, we cancel 2. We cancel 4, it will give us 2. It will be 2 onto 2 raised to power k divided by 2 raised to power k. Now, from the numerator part, let's consider that 2 raised to power k is common. 2 raised to power k is common. Since it's common, so therefore, we have this to cancel this. So the value will give us 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So telling us that the simplifications of this equation will surely give us 4. So please don't forget to like this page, to subscribe this page. We give a better explanation to every mathematical problems. And also you're able to see the way it is being simplified. And I believe if you have any related question to this, you're able to solve it. So don't forget to share the video and to subscribe. So anytime I'm releasing any video relating to this, you're able to see it easily. Thanks for watching.